Hey guys, welcome back to another Capital Gains 500 video, and today we have exciting news. Carnival Cruise Lines, Norwegian, and Royal Caribbean are all taking off today. In my opinion, this is due to the Moderna news of them having great news about the success of the first trials of vaccines and continuing on and moving forward in the stages of getting this vaccine into the public. As you guys know, there's been reports of Moderna and their vaccine and their COVID vaccine. The human body is creating antibodies, so this is amazing news. This is great, and I think that is why these cruise lines are taking off today, because it seems that as long as people can travel and be healthy, they're gonna want to go out and go on a vacation and get out of their houses. I'm pretty sure everyone's tired of this, and that's what investors believe is gonna happen. So they are rallying the stocks. Currently, the stock market is open, 35 minutes till the close, but Royal Caribbean is being the champ today with 20% ahead. Norwegian coming out almost at 20% also, and Carnival coming behind with a 15% gains on their stock today. A lot of shareholders must be excited. So many people are holding these stocks on Robinhood, and I'm glad to see that they're going up. That way investors can either cash out or continue to hold and expect more gains. But in my opinion, and the reason why I'm making this video, is I would still not touch these stocks myself. Why? Because if they're rallying on good news, just imagine what's going to happen on bad news. They're going to dump so fast before you even get the chance, before you even see a headline in the newspaper. These stocks already went down, but today they are taking off. In pre-market, they just accelerated. Remember, yesterday we got the news of Moderna in the after hours. These stocks have been rallying in the after hours and into the open. People were just buying them up. Oh my gosh, everything's going to be so much better. Everything's going to be great. If you bought around this week, you're making some profits. But if you bought around in the past 3 months, I don't know where, depending where you bought. If you bought at the higher marks, you're still in a little bit of trouble. But in my opinion, these cruise line stocks are still going to be in some sketchy water. No pun intended. They're all going to have their difficulties. Some of them are better positioned than others. Some have more cash than others. Some raised cash. But overall, I believe in order for the cash flow to start going through these businesses, people have to go back to their normal lives. And the problem is, what was normal 3 months ago is not normal now. A lot of things are going to change. A lot of things moving forward. Are they still going to require people to have masks on when they go traveling? How soon are they going to start going on cruises? How soon are they going to go on trips? What's going to be the average customer value when they go on a cruise? Are they going to be spending less money? Are they going to be spending more money? The world of economics is changing drastically, so every business is going to have to make adjustments. It's not going to be the same old operations. Everyone's going to have to change. Right now, it is the excitement of, oh my gosh, great news, amazing news. Hopefully people start going back on cruises, and of course they will, but are these stocks going to hold up their valuations, and are they going to continue to be growth stocks or long-term investment stocks? A lot of these are very attractive because of their dividends, like Carnival. I like that 13% dividend yield. Of course I would add some of that in my portfolio, but for how long? And are they even going to cut it, or are they going to sacrifice some of the paying off their debt to keep shareholders happy? And that's just Carnival. Norwegian, they don't have a dividend, but their market cap is small, and you would say, well, they have more space to grow. But again, all of these are competing with each other. All of them are going to have new challenges ahead. In order to keep increasing their stock price, they're going to have to be innovative. So then now it comes down to, okay, well, I personally am going to invest. I'm speaking theoretically. I'm not speaking for myself. Like I said, I'm not investing. I do want to invest in a cruise company. All right, now you have to do your due diligence. Which one's going to be the best one? How much debt do they have? Why do I believe they're going to go back to their all-time highs? When would they go? The attraction of their all-time highs is there, and I do see it, maybe worth the risk of, hey, I'll put down some money. I hope they can go to their lowest of the last 5 years, which, for example, in Royal Caribbean, that was around $65. If they can hit that, I'm going to make some good returns. But I expect to go higher. But I would like it to go higher. Of course, everybody would. Norwegian, their lowest of the last 5 years, we're looking around 35, currently trading at $18.40. That looks attractive. So I do see it as an attractive investment, but for me, again, I'm still going to stay away. Cruise lines are rallying due to great news. The whole stock market in general is, but every stock is different, every company is different, so you're going to continue to have to do research and see, why am I investing in this company? How long am I going to invest in it? I'm going to keep it for 5 years, 10 years. It's going to be part of my portfolio. I'm going to invest not in Royal Caribbean, but in Carnival, because they're of their dividend, so I rather have that safety net. It all depends on you in your tolerance of risk and your investment strategy. So I'm just bringing you guys, to me it is good news. You know, stocks are rallying. It's all good because we're going ahead and trying to fix and cure up this pandemic. That to me is the greatest gift of all. Whatever stock investments you're gonna perform moving forward, well, that's totally on with you. And with that, guys, I would really like to know your thoughts. What do you think is gonna happen moving forward? Do you think these stocks are gonna continue to rally? Do you think they're gonna go back to their all-time highs? Are they gonna go at least to the highs of the last year or so? Where do you see these companies in a year or two? I would really like to know your comments. That way we can open a dialogue and see what other people are thinking, why they themselves are investing in these companies or why they are not. Be sure to be subscribed, guys, because I'm bringing you guys the best videos that I can. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. That really helps the channel and I really appreciate it. And with that, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you and goodbye.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Dog.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.